Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Research finds novel mechanism that predicts severity of triple-negative breast cancer. Scientists at Huntsman Cancer Institute at the University of Utah, the National Cancer Institute designated cancer center for the Mountain West, have made a significant breakthrough in predicting the prognosis of triple-negative breast cancer, a particularly aggressive disease. The research published in JCO Precision Oncology as a part of TOWARDS study has led to the development of new mechanism that accurately forecast the aggressiveness of triple-negative breast cancer. This advancement could revolutionize the way doctors treat triple-negative breast cancer, allowing them to identify higher-risk patients and tailor precise treatments. Currently, triple-negative breast cancer lacks reliable method to predict recurrence after treatment like chemotherapy and surgery. Unlike other breast cancers, triple-negative breast cancer is challenging to treat because its tumor cells lack estrogen receptors, progesterone receptors, and high level of HER2 new protein, according to experts at the National Institute of Health. This often results in high likelihood of relapse after treatment. Researchers used a patient-derived xenograft model where biopsies of tumors from patients were implanted into mice to grow human tumors. Elena Welm, PhD senior author of the study, senior director of basic science at Huntsman Cancer Institute and professor of oncological science at the Utah University, highlights the significance of this method, noting that it allows for an early and accurate assessment of the cancer's aggressiveness. Cindy Matson, MD, co-first author of the study, leader of the Breast and Gynecological Disease Center at Huntsman Cancer Institute and associate professor in the Department of Surgery at the University of Utah, emphasizes the direct impact the research could have on the patient care. She describes this study as highly relevant to addressing a major challenge in breast cancer treatment, with the potential of creating more personalized treatment plans for patients with recurrent triple-negative breast cancer. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.